What's up, everybody? Today is Monday, February 26th. Today I am going to be getting a procedure done onto my skin. It is a microneedling procedure or dermapen procedure. So it's not that like needle thing that like you roll over your skin, but instead it's like an actual pen that pretty much like punctures holes into your skin, and it gets rid of any like wrinkles and scars. And as you guys know, I have like a lot of really bad acne scars. I have zero makeup on right now, and so if you can tell, I pretty much have like those like little pitted scars where it's like holes. And I have a bunch here. It's pretty much like mostly my cheek area that has it. And I used to have really bad acne in high school. I got kind of over it once I got out of high school, but it pretty much left me with a bunch of scars. And I've tried so many things, and there are a couple things that have actually really helped it because it used to be a lot worse, but they're still there and they do bother me. Obviously, I wish I had like nice, pretty, smooth skin, but I don't. So there's this procedure that I was seeing all over YouTube, and I really wanted to try it. I should probably turn off the blurred effect on my camera, but then you'll see how ugly I really am. I'm just kidding. I found this place in Huntington Beach. It's a spa that pretty much does it, and they let you kind of pick. Are you done? It's over. Show's over. Pick the area in your face where you want to get it done. So I just told them that I wanted to just do my cheeks just to try it, just to kind of see how it is, see if there's any real results, kind of, you know, see how like the whole thing works and like downtime and all that. I'm going to pretty much keep you guys updated. I will take you guys along with me on this journey, and hopefully this works out and hopefully it does not hurt. So I just got in the car. I'm about to leave. It's in Huntington Beach. I will leave the link of where I'm going down below, just in case if anybody lives in my area and you want to go check it out, you can. So it's in Huntington Beach, so it's about like a 30-40 minute drive from my house. I'm gonna take off right now. Really nervous and excited to get this done. I just hope that it works, and hopefully it isn't so painful. So I will update you guys in a little bit. Just trying to get to my car now so I can eat my salad before the facial. Yum, 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 yum. Alright, you guys, so I just got out of getting this microneedling done, and look at my cheeks. It looks like I'm permanently like blushing. I want to talk to you guys about it, but I don't want to stay in this parking lot, and I might hit traffic on the way home, so I'm gonna update you guys as soon as I get home, and then I'll let you guys know a little bit more about the process and everything. So I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. So I just got home from doing the microneedling. This is pretty much what my face is looking like. Let me kind of get a little bit closer. So as you can tell, it kind of just looks like I have a sunburn, and she only did my cheek area, so pretty much like all here and all here, so it's just really red. It does feel really dry, so it feels like super dry and like tight. She did say that that's what's gonna happen. It's just puncturing holes into the skin and telling your skin that there is a wound so that it can produce more collagen, and that collagen is what's going to fill in the scars that I have, because I have like those deep pitted scars. So the process was not painful actually at all. It's more like a little bit uncomfortable but not painful. On a 1 to 10, I'd probably give it like a 3 or 4. So what she does is she puts a serum on my skin so that it kind of just glides as she's doing it, and then there's different levels to how harsh the pin goes into the skin. So she didn't need to numb me, or she didn't numb me, so it actually was not that painful like how I thought it would be, because I was like, oh, I'm not gonna be numb, like, oh my gosh. But no, it was not that bad. And then so she kind of just passes over the skin a couple times. Around the bone area she does a little bit lighter, and then obviously underneath the bone area she did it a little bit more intense, meaning it just goes in a little bit deeper. So honestly, it wasn't bad. I'm definitely excited to go back again. She said to kind of spread out the appointments by about 4 weeks to see effective results. And she just says first day not to wear any makeup, really not to do anything to my skin other than just at night put my moisturizer and my serum, and just not to use anything with like acid in it. And then tomorrow she said I should be fine. I should be okay to just go back to doing everything normal other than no exfoliating. So for a week I can't do anything that's like exfoliating my skin. I'll stick to that for like a week, and then hopefully we will see a little bit of a difference within a week, and I will just update you guys how my skin looks after about a week. And I'm not sure how it works for most places, but she actually just let me pick, like, she lets you pick sections on your face to do as opposed to doing your entire face. So that's why I chose to just do my cheeks, because that's mostly where I have my concerns anyways. And it's actually cheaper that way. I think it's like 40 bucks. And then I did this peppermint scalp massage, and oh my god, it felt amazing. It's so good. She uses like a peppermint oil and she kind of just like massages your scalp with it, and my hair smells like peppermint and I love it. I'm really happy with my first experience. She's really awesome and she made me feel really comfortable. Highly recommend her to you guys. And again, I will kind of just do a quick update within a week just so we can kind of see the results, how everything looks with and without makeup. So I will see you guys soon. Bye. Hello everybody. So I just got out of the shower. It is day 2 after the day of microneedling. As you guys can tell, I am a little bit red like in this section right here, and it almost kind of seems like I got like a little bit of breakouts, like they kind of came out. So the redness definitely reduced a lot. It doesn't hurt at all. I took a shower today and it didn't bother me or anything like that. I put on my regular serum today, my regular moisturizer. The only thing I didn't do was exfoliate, obviously, and I did not use my Clarisonic to cleanse my skin. So I just used my hands and then just my regular cleanser. I will leave links down below of the stuff that I use if you guys want to know, just for like, you know, future reference if you decide to go ahead and do this procedure. I'm gonna put makeup on a little bit later and then kind of see what it looks like then. Sorry, I have like this shadow kind of like right on my face. Here we go. This is like better lighting. So you can tell the redness went down because before I was like red all the way up to here. So now it's just like a little bit. And I don't know if you guys can hear the rain, but it's so relaxing. Look. But yeah, obviously I don't really see any like results yet, but I think results typically you won't even see for like about a week. But I'm going to be putting on makeup and then I will come back so we can kind of see how it looks. Alright you guys, so I officially put on makeup and this is kind of what we're working with. Believe it or not, I actually do see a difference, which is kind of crazy because I wasn't expecting to even notice anything at all. But now that I have makeup on, I'm kind of like, whoa, like my pores definitely look smaller, even if like the scars haven't necessarily closed yet. Definitely feel my pores got way smaller. Obviously this camera has a little bit of like a skin softener on, but let me kind of move around, see if it kind of goes away a little bit. Let me zoom in. If you can kind of tell, they look smaller in size. Just go again in a few days, I'll update you guys, and I'll just continue to update you guys just so we can kind of see if there's a significant difference from today and then maybe like a week from now. And then I'm gonna go out to eat, so I will catch you guys later. Good morning everybody. Today is Monday, March 5th, and it has officially been 1 week since I got my microneedling or dermapen, if you will, done. And these are pretty much the results of week 1. My skin is entirely back to normal. There is no redness, no itchiness, no dryness, nothing. Completely back to normal. Definitely my scar right here, which let me zoom in. Like all the little scars that I have look so much smaller to me, especially right here. This one used to be very deep and I can tell that there's kind of like skin growing in there, which is really cool. And I think this is my worst side too. And then this side, everything just looks significantly like smaller. Now keep in mind, I only got it done on my cheeks, and I am going to go back and get it done again on my cheeks. Sometime in the future I probably will get my forehead done as well. In my car, I'm just outside because there's a lot of natural light out here, and I don't want to be underneath like studio lighting because I really want you guys to see like the actual real raw, like unfiltered face of mine. Just based off of my first experience, I highly recommend that you guys do this if it's something that you're interested in. It's a really awesome procedure. It's going to show you guys real results, and the downtime is like very little, so definitely recommend it. If you guys are curious about doing it and you're hesitating, don't. Everything will be fine. And yeah, that's it, you guys. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. So I'm in a little bit of better lighting so you can kind of see how red it is. It doesn't hurt.